This is Aroma Mocha, and for our final design project, we decided to utilize the clever coffee brewing method using medium roasted Sulawesi coffee beans.
And now we will show you our process flow diagram.
Our first step was to measure out 126 grams of Sulawesi green coffee beans, which we then placed into the Nesco coffee roaster. Once in the coffee roaster, we set the time to 20 minutes. Roasting the coffee beans for this allotted time resulted in a medium roast. This roast provided the optimal balance between acidity and bitterness. As a bonus, it also allowed us to conserve energy usage. The less time it was roasted, the less energy we used. For our medium roast, our total usage was 0.19 kilowatt hour. After the roasting process was done, we weighed out our roasted coffee beans that measured 107.5 grams. Some of the mass was lost due to chaff, water vapor, carbon dioxide, and volatile organic compounds. Our next step involved storing the roasted coffee beans into a specialized plastic bag that allowed off-gassing while it was stored for a week. Once removed from storage, we placed the roasted coffee beans into the coffee grinder. The grinder was set to a 20 grind size. For our design, we used 70.1 grams of coffee grounds and 1,350 grams of water heated to 95 degrees Celsius, resulting in the total energy usage of 0.11 kilowatt hour. We divided the previous amounts into 4 portions, since one clever coffee could not contain our desired brew. We allowed our brew to sit for a total of 4 minutes before extraction. Combining the 4 portions of brewed coffee, we obtained a total of 917.8 grams. The mass difference of the initial water and final brew resulted in 410.2 grams being absorbed by the dry coffee grounds. Also, a small amount of water mass was lost to off-gassing.
Overall, our brew had a TDS value of 1.1% and a PE value of 14.4%. These values indicated that our coffee would taste weak and sour. Clearly, this wasn't near the ideal sweetness range. Based on the blind test, the coffee tasted exactly like the indicated range with a thin body. However, the coffee fragrance had a dark chocolate/hazelnut smell. To improve our coffee taste, we would want to increase our brew ratio. That will cause our PE and TDS value to increase and will help us reach the ideal sweet range. In addition, to reach the required brew mass for the competition, we would have added a 5th portion.
So brew to your discretion.